Okay, this is a video to show you how to do progress reports and send them home by email to every parent for every child. So I'm going to show you based on my son's class. So he's in the pre-calculus class, so you have to open up the class. Then you go to Gradebook and down to Reports. And then here's Student Progress Reports right here in the middle, so I click on that. Now, if you want to send one for the whole class, which I recommend you click that, but just for the sake of showing you specifically, I'll just do JAERS. So if you click Generate over here on the side, then what happens is, as long as you don't have pop-ups blocked, you'll get to look at the progress report right there. But if you want to send it home as opposed to just looking at it, then you create email, and it's going to send an email to my home, and it'll be right here somewhere. Yep, see, there it is, Student Progress Report, Pre-Calculus, and then it'll tell me exactly where it is. So that's what the parents are going to see when they get it. So hopefully that helps you. Just review one more time. You open up your class, go to Gradebook, go to Reports, click on Progress Reports, and then highlight all the names or check all the names and hit email. If you have a student who hasn't really been doing much so far, they're new to the class or something, you can obviously exclude them. So if you click all of them and you don't want to send it to, for instance, one, you just click on their name and it gets rid of that one. So it doesn't go to everyone if you don't want it to. Okay, little tutorial for the day. Talk to you later.